So you want to date a celebrity. First, you need to find the best ways to meet them. Try joining exclusive dating apps like Raya, or look for matches on Tinder and Bumble while spending time in celebrity hubs like Los Angeles or New York. You can also use social media to get their attention. Just keep your account public and send a brief, sincere message. If you do manage to start dating a famous person, anticipate unique challenges like clamoring fans. Consider going somewhere discreet for your dates, like a museum or a local ice cream parlor, to avoid unwanted attention. Make sure to act confident, be your authentic self, and stay positive throughout the date. Finally, don't gossip to the media or post about your relationship online without their permission. Remember, normal people date celebrities all the time. But if things don't work out, be prepared for rejection and move on, and never stalk or harass them.